We have an Audi A4 in for our hood clean and reproof today. Solely focusing on the roof, and it obviously gets the exterior special offer. It's having a new 2-year nano protection on the roof. We can see if we go closely, we've got a lot of cat hairs on the top. The customer does say that cat loves to lay on her roof, so that would be all the hair marks, but we can see that there's a lot of grinding dirt, especially obviously on the side rails as well. So we're going to give it a good nice clean and let it dry, and then we're going to start applying our protection coats. We can see obviously all of the moss and everything in the back of the window, just underneath the window. So as I say, the typical Cabriolet roof, it gets dirty and then lets the whole car down. So once we're finished, it should obviously set it back off again. Okay, so let's see what we can do.
Okay, so here it is, all done. Audi A4 Cabriolet and convertible. As you can see in here, there's no more green. Top is looking lovely, nice and blue. No more moss, no more cat hair. As you see, it's had a exterior clean. Well, that we've got a special offer. Just come around the back. See, there's no more green on the back here or up here. So it's had the windows done inside and out as well. It's looking nice and new again.
And it's had the hood clean and reproof today, and it's come up lovely, and it looks like the roof may last for the rest of the car's life, if that makes sense. Often people have to have the roof replaced because the car's still got plenty of life, but in this instance this roof looks quite good, and it's been looked after. While it's here, we've got a special offer on at the moment. It's had the special wax coat. It's only a 3-month wax, but it does make it nice when you come to collect it and it's all the outside's cleaned. Lovely looking car actually. I know it's a few years old now, but it is still a good, gorgeous looking car. Nice coloured wheels that they've had done on it, and you can see there how lovely the roof's actually come up. You know, it's got the nano finish on it, and it does make it look newer. It gives it a little bit of dark finish. That's 2-year coating. So she hasn't had the rubbers done. We usually offer the service of cleaning the rubbers and putting the neoprene conditioner on them, as well as a drain flush, because they have unusual drainage on these convertibles. Most people don't even realise it exists. But she's going to do them herself. She's already looked after the rubbers, and so she's going to do that bit herself. So she's off down the coast maybe for the weekend. Shiny clean car. Why don't you put the roof down and go somewhere nice in it? That's what I'd be doing.